hunt with no kill. How old are we, Lamb?
Older than those whose footsteps are long vanished.
Many years.
I remember them all.
How long will we be together?
Forevermore. Without the other.
Have they forgotten us yet, little lamb?
All still know us, though they try to forget. Soon, we will remind them. What do all stories have in common, dear Wolf?
The end. Lamb, tell me a story.
There was once a pale man with dark hair who was very lonely.
Why was it lonely?
All things must meet this man, so they shunned him.
Did he chase them all?
He took an axe and split himself in two, right down the middle.
So he would always have a friend.
So he would always have a friend.
Water.
They are called tears.
Is this what it feels like to end?
I do not know, for this is not our end.
Do others come back?
Those who do wish they hadn't. All life is temporary. All things great and small
Die.
There are so many ways to die. The only true death is to never live.
Is it time?
We will soon awaken from this pale slumber. are not dreams. We are the waking. All things linger
In our shadow.
Life is ours.